Welcome to Intelligence Gateway. What is the role of edge computing in neural networks? The role of edge computing in neural networks is to enable the processing of data locally on edge devices such as smartphones, IoT devices, and sensors, rather than relying on sending all data to a centralized cloud server for processing. This can improve the speed, efficiency, and privacy of data processing for tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. What is the role of edge computing in computer vision? The role of edge computing in computer vision is to perform real-time processing and analysis of visual data at or near the source, rather than sending it to a remote server or cloud for analysis. This allows for faster processing times, reduced latency, and improved privacy and security, since sensitive data does not need to be transmitted over a network. Edge computing is particularly useful in applications such as autonomous vehicles, surveillance systems, and industrial automation, where real-time decision-making is critical. What is the role of edge computing in natural language processing? Edge computing can play an important role in natural language processing by enabling language processing tasks to be performed on the edge devices themselves, rather than relying on cloud-based or remote processing. This approach can reduce latency, increase privacy, and improve the overall performance of language processing tasks by reducing the need for data to be transmitted to and from remote servers. Edge computing can also enable language processing models to be tailored to the specific requirements of edge devices, which may have limited computing resources and connectivity. By bringing natural language processing capabilities to the edge, edge computing can enable a wide range of applications, including voice assistants, chatbots, and other conversational interfaces, to operate more efficiently and effectively. What is the role of edge computing in speech recognition? Edge computing plays a crucial role in speech recognition by enabling the processing of audio data on the edge devices themselves, such as smartphones or smart speakers, rather than sending the data to a remote server for processing. By processing the audio data locally, edge computing can reduce latency and improve the speed and accuracy of speech recognition. Additionally, it can also improve privacy and security by reducing the amount of sensitive data that needs to be transmitted over the network. Overall, edge computing enables more efficient and effective speech recognition on edge devices. What is the role of edge computing in robotics? The role of edge computing in robotics is to enable robots to perform computation and decision-making tasks locally on the device itself, rather than relying on cloud-based systems. This allows for faster response times, reduced latency, and increased autonomy for robots, which is essential in applications where real-time decision-making and actions are critical, such as in industrial automation, autonomous vehicles, and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. What is the role of edge computing in drones? The role of edge computing in drones is to process data on board the drone, closer to the source of data capture, instead of sending it to a centralized cloud for processing. This allows for faster data analysis and decision-making, as well as reducing the amount of data that needs to be transmitted over potentially unreliable or congested networks. Edge computing in drones also enables real-time monitoring and control, as well as autonomous decision-making capabilities, improving the overall efficiency and performance of the drone. What is the role of edge computing in autonomous systems? Edge computing plays a crucial role in autonomous systems by allowing real-time processing and analysis of data closer to the source, reducing latency and improving response times. By bringing computing power closer to where the data is generated, edge computing can enable autonomous systems to make decisions faster and operate more efficiently. It can also improve the reliability and security of autonomous systems by reducing the dependence on cloud connectivity and enabling data processing and analysis to occur locally. Overall, edge computing is a critical component of the infrastructure needed to support the development and deployment of advanced autonomous systems. What is the role of edge computing in edge AI? Edge computing plays a crucial role in edge AI by bringing computation and data storage closer to where it is needed, which is usually at the edge of the network, rather than in the cloud or a centralized data center. This allows for faster data processing and analysis, lower latency, and improved privacy and security, which are all essential for many edge AI applications such as autonomous vehicles, industrial automation, and smart cities. Edge computing also enables edge devices to perform local data processing and decision-making, reducing the need for constant communication with the cloud, which can save bandwidth and improve the overall efficiency of the system. What is the role of edge computing in edge devices? The role of edge computing in edge devices is to process data and perform computations locally, closer to where the data is generated, rather than sending all the data to a centralized cloud server for processing. This allows for faster response times, reduces network latency, and minimizes the amount of data that needs to be transmitted over the network. Edge computing enables edge devices to perform complex tasks and make intelligent decisions without relying on a remote server, making them more efficient and effective in various applications such as IoT, autonomous vehicles, and industrial automation. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.